Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this case I'm actually on vacation in the south of France. I have my laptop with me, so I thought, why don't I create another quick win Wednesday for you guys while I'm on vacation. Before I left on vacation I actually did a huge project with multiple route files. We had about 10 of those. And we actually used a new thing that was available for us since Laravel 11.7 or 11.8, which makes managing multiple route files really easy. So let's dive into it and let's learn something new. Alright, so I have this freshly installed Laravel application here with Breeze. Just to show you, we have a login page, we have a register page. All the links are working properly, and this is actually the routes file of web.php. As you can see here, Breeze is imported with a require dir of PHP. And as I mentioned, we had like this huge application with multiple route files concerning route files for admin, public routes, and stuff like that. An option would be doing it like this, like require every other route file that we have in here. But instead of doing this and having all bloated route combinations at the bottom of our web.php file, we opted for removing the requires in the web PHP file, and we moved it to the application bootstrap app.php. And in the with routing, we have the web route parameter, and we created an array of this. This is actually perfectly fine spec-wise. This works and is also recommended. And it was off. We changed this to an array, and this basically is doing the same thing as required. So if I refresh here, you can still log in. Forgot password. Go back to the home page, register. All those links work. So we were able to actually structure it like this. Public. So we had our main web routes, we had our admin routes, we had our public routes, and we actually had like almost 10 of those route files for our application that we created. Alright guys, so that's actually it. And I think this is quite neat to have all those route files structured in the bootstrap app file instead of the route file itself. So I hope you learned something from this, and I will see you in one of the next videos. Take care. Bye bye.